What's up, y'all? It's Cracking This D. About to react to this vid by Doorbell News. This is Don't Open Your Door for Strangers. Called on Ring Doorbell. Duh. Why would you open your door for people you don't know? I don't know. Let's see what happens in this video, though. Let's watch.
West Hartford, Connecticut. That's a pretty big beer. Yeah, it's almost Thanksgiving. And this beer's out looking for some food.
This video is a couple weeks old.
Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. A woman believes this man has been stalking her.
Oh, shit.
He's knocking on her door at about 1 in the morning, and he doesn't belong there. Let's see what happens.
That's scary. The fuck? Is he scratching his ass? What the fuck is in that backpack? Call the police. Yeah, you on the camera, bitch.
Can I help you?
How you doing?
I'm good. Who are you?
Kingsley.
Who are you looking for?
I don't...
Nigga, what?
You the one that drive the Jeep?
Who are you looking for?
The pretty young lady that drives the Jeep.
Ew.
Doesn't live here.
Doesn't live here?
Yeah, get lost.
What's your name?
My name is Get Lost. Doorbell, Arizona.
That is really creepy.
Yeah, looks like this guy's trying to take someone's Ring doorbell.
I'm staying in the condo forever.
Yonkers, New York.
I'm not doing this.
This FedEx delivery driver carelessly throws someone's expensive lamp on the ground and breaks it. Gotta be more careful with those packages, buddy.
I'm suing FedEx.
Mobile, Alabama. We got a cushion thief here.
No,
but he gets caught in the act. Check it out.
You are too... Sir! Stealing as a senior citizen is crazy. And he's limping away.
Hey.
I know you lying.
Akron, Ohio. Check out this zombie.
Oh yeah, he on drugs.
Yeah, this is North Akron.
But at least he realized he was going the wrong direction. And he went on about his meth business. So that's good.
Mobile, Alabama. This guy walks up, takes somebody's statue, and then runs off.
No shirt on.
He appears to have a large tattoo on his back.
Sir. What the fuck?
Sacramento, California. A female porch pirate knocks on someone's door, and the homeowner comes outside and has a few words for her.
Hello? Excuse me. You knocked on my door?
Never mind.
Patterson, New Jersey. Check her out.
Sorry. Soft tracking.
Bronx, New York. Yeah. Those Christmas decorations may not be safe this year. Here's a porch pirate taking someone's Christmas lights.
That is so fucked up. The lights are for the kids.
Bronx, New York.
And you
This
stealing?
Ring doorbell owner said this is the reason why he bought the Ring doorbell. His neighbor's been stealing his packages. Then she comes by and steals a re-delivery slip off his door. Gilbert, Arizona. Just when you thought you seen it all. A kangaroo is spotted on Ring doorbell. And this isn't in Australia.
That's crazy. I couldn't do it.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana. This guy's trying to get someone's package, but the homeowner catches him in the act. Let's see what happens.
Get him. Why it take so long to steal, first of all? Of course you're gonna get caught. If you're gonna steal, take it and run.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure y'all shit straight. I was just finna tell you had that on your porch, huh?
What you doing with that?
All right, I'm gone.
I know you lying.
Nothing that's on y'all porch.
Get lost.
What? So stupid. Sir.
Long Beach, California.
LBC.
Better grab those packages, because the Porsche pirates are on the prowl. Better get those packages from outside your door ASAP, because these porch pirates are on the prowl. Nashville, Tennessee.
They so
Three men wearing
stupid.
hoods
Like,
walk up to what appears to be a townhouse.
if you live there and your face on camera, like, they gonna find out who you are.
They appear to break the glass door. The homeowner can be heard yelling.
Oh my goodness.
Luckily, the homeowner was able to scare them away. Paterson, New Jersey. Her shirt says best grandpa ever. That's obviously not her shirt. This is obviously not her package.
Yeah, she's a
Yeah, get lost,
serial
grandpa.
thief.
Bronx, New York. Looks like we got another cushion thief here. But he gets spooked when he sees that there's a Ring doorbell camera.
This nigga said out loud, oh, there's a camera. Let me go.
Yeah, get lost. Albuquerque,
Why are
New
you
Mexico.
stealing
This lady doesn't even waste
tissues?
any time. She finds a package, then she opens it up. And if she likes what's inside, she puts it in her bag. She doesn't even bother carrying the package off and inspecting it later.
Yeah, she like, I want to make
Yeah.
sure I ain't getting no
She's
stupid
bold.
shit. Because I've said this many times. It's so dumb to just grab packages and run off with them. That it could be somebody's medicine. It could be something that you don't need at all. And that you just stealing for nothing. So she said, no, I'm going to make sure I want it first. Bitch. She like, yep, this is a winner. I'll take it. Crackhead,
Provo,
bitch.
Utah. This happened in the morning, 7:30 a.m. Always be on the alert. Lynbrook, New York. Yeah, you know what time of year it is.
Girl. It got in your car.
New Orleans, Louisiana.
It's like she signaled to the other person, like, yep, I got it. Like,
This
Yo,
man is
shit.
outside someone's home just after midnight. He's asking if he can come inside. This is pretty creepy.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Can I come in?
No,
ew.
you cannot. You can stay outside.
Can I come in? Nigga, if you don't find the nearest homeless shelter, get the fuck off my
Can I
page.
come in?
He sounds so creepy too. Oh.
Yeah. I don't know what this guy's up to. Make sure you like the video. New video coming tomorrow.
Can I come in?
Ew. Can I come in? Like, ew. This was so disturbing. I can't. This solidifies it for me, honestly. This is something I have already been thinking about, but I feel like the condo lifestyle is for me. It just feels a lot more secure and safe. So I don't see myself actually buying a house that I live in. It could occur, you know, it would have to be a very specific circumstance for that to occur, but more than likely I see myself staying in a condo that has security, you know, 24/7 at the front desk, that is locked and secure, that has cameras everywhere, that requires a key fob to get to each individual floor. Like, it just feels a lot more secure than having a house and anybody could just walk right up to your fucking door. Like, I don't like that. That makes me very uneasy. Even like gated communities, people are always getting robbed in gated communities, so those clearly aren't secure enough, you know. But what are the chances of someone trying to rob you and they have to go through all of these steps just to get to your front door? Like, the chances are just much lower that you're going to get robbed and living in a condo versus you just living in a house that anybody could just walk up to. You feel me? So, yeah, there's that. Fuck these people. I don't want this life. Y'all let me know what y'all thought, though. Let me know what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!